Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Akpeje. Today I'm preparing some juicy chicken fried spaghetti. So if you are ready, let's get started. So I have my water on fire, it's boiling already. I'll just go ahead and tap my spaghetti bottles on the table and open it and pour it inside the water. Actually, I don't break my spaghetti before cook it. I'll just put it inside like that and push it inside the water and cover it for some minutes. If it's boiling, then I'll come and stir it to remove it one. So now it's boiling. I'm coming to stir it to make sure it's removed one before I'll cover it again to cook well. So guys, I'm coming to check it if it's ready. Oh yes, it's ready. So I'll just go ahead and remove it and sieve it and wash it with some cold water. This to not make it stuck together when it is cold. So I'm using 5 eggs for this recipe. I'll just go ahead and burst it inside my bowl and season it with some salt before scrambling it. So I'll just go ahead and on my fire and put my pot on it to be heating it and season my egg with some salt and add some oil inside the pot and pour my egg and start scrambling it. So I don't like my egg to be small, scramble small, so I just put it aside, and when everything is ready, then I'll start breaking it at the size I like. I like it a little big. So guys, the egg is ready. I'll transfer it into the bowl and start frying the chicken. So I add some oil into the pot, then I'll add my chicken and start frying it. So I'm not going to fry this chicken too dry. The chicken will be some juicy. So for the vegetables, I'm using tomatoes, onion, green pepper, carrot and spring onion. So my chicken is ready. Then I'll transfer it into the bowl and add some oil and start frying my spring onion, the hard place and the onion first. I'll fry that like some seconds before adding the fresh tomatoes. So I've added my fresh tomatoes, I'll fry it, then I'll add green pepper and the carrot. I'll fry it like some seconds. It's time to season it. I'm using curry powder, complete seasoning, chili pepper, paprika, shrimp powder, seasoning salt, cube, and then I'll stir it very well. Now it's time for spaghetti to go in. Then I'll stir it and mix everything together. I add my chicken and my egg. Then I'm mixing everything together very well. Guys, can you see that? It's already looking yummy. So I'm adding my spring onion and I'll stir it very well. Now my spaghetti is ready. It's time to chop. It's very delicious. So it's ready. I'll just add some spring onion at the top. Guys, are you loving it? If you are loving it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give your girl a thumbs up, share the video. Thank you.